I sell my digital products for at least $50 a pop, you guys. And across all 10 of my channels, I do about $50,000 in channels every single month. Those are my top 2 channels over the 5 channels that I have on TikTok and the 5 that I have on YouTube. And those are the 2 channels that I want you guys to start. These channels are your retirement plans, okay? And like I said before, if you're a beginner, this is perfect for you. If you are looking to get out of your corporate job, if you are overworked and underpaid, these channels are going to be perfect for you because you guys, we are not taking forever to get monetized. We are literally monetizing our channels within less than 48 hours. Follow these steps because these steps will help you do it, okay? So let's get right into the video right now, you guys. Before we get into the video, I wanna let you guys know I do have a program that is dedicated to teaching beginners how to start their channels. So I don't care if you have never been on YouTube before, if you're never posted on a channel before, this program is going to be perfect for you because not only it's going to include everything that you see today, but it's also going to include your content, you guys, and it's going to include our wonderful community, which serves as a grow group, you guys. And that grow group, we have over 3,000 members on there, and we watch each other videos, we like each other videos, you guys, so that we can get our requirement hours and so that we can get our subscribers. We follow each other, you guys. And not only that, I am going to include my free mentorship meetings, and those are my classes, you guys. I teach them every single Sunday at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, you guys. Every single Sunday, I am going to be teaching you for absolutely free with the purchase of your course. I am going to link my program below, and like I said, it includes that full course. It includes all of your digital products, the community, and my mentorship. And that is because I want you to succeed. I want you to make it, and I want you to retire. That is what this whole channel is about. It is about retirement, okay? So before we get into the video, I want you guys to like, share, follow, and I also want you guys to put in the inspiration of the day. The inspiration of the day is, God, I will take that leap because I'm taking that leap of faith, okay? Put that in the comment section. You guys get the program and come into my class where I am going to teach you personally how to do this, okay? But let's get to the video because the video is going to show you exactly how to do it, all right? So what we're going to do, you guys, we're going to go right into the course. You guys, your content, what I did was, you guys, I already pre-made your faceless content to start that faceless channel, okay? This is going to be super simple, super duper easy. This tutorial is for all of the beginners. If you're a beginner, you're going to love this tutorial because it's not really techie, okay? Coach Sam is not a techie woman, and this is for those of you guys who this is your first time on YouTube. You guys, use this method, okay? I'm not a super techie girl, and I don't use a lot of AI, but this is the quickest, most efficient way to start your faceless channel, okay? So what you're going to do, you guys, you are going to go right into the melanin reels. This is included within your course, okay? This is your content. This content is amazing because, you guys, this content is literally money-making content. This is what's going to attract the viewers, and we're turning them into buyers, okay? And what are they gonna buy? They are going to buy your digital products, like your ebooks, your journals, and your planners. I want you to link your ebooks, your journals, and your planners onto this channel. So one of the channels that have done just amazingly well for me, you guys, is the budgeting channel and my motivational channel, okay? Those are my top 2 channels over the 5 channels that I have on TikTok and the 5 that I have on YouTube. Those are my top 2 channels, and those are the 2 channels that I want you guys to start. So let's go here and I'm going to show you how to start that channel, okay? So like I said before, this is the content. This is included in your course, and this is viral content. It is not the long content that makes your channel go viral. It is the short form content, the 6 to 7 second shorts or reels as they call them, okay? So this content is viral content. This is what's going to attract people to the channel because it is very aesthetically pleasing, okay? So this content makes it look like you are on vacation. It makes it look like you are somewhere enjoying your life in front of a Benz, you guys, and just nature. You guys, this content goes viral on social media every single day. Thousands, hundreds of thousands of views on this content every day. Comments. You guys, you're going to be able to use this to promote those digital products that I was telling you about. We are turning our viewers into buyers, and this is how you start it, okay? So what you're going to do is you are going to pick a reel, short here that you want to put on the channel. All of this is faceless, and all of this makes your channel go viral. This is the same content that I have on my channel, okay? This is the same content that is giving me hundreds of thousands of views, the same content. And I put it here for you guys because I do not want you to have to guess what to put out. I don't want you guys having to guess and having to try to figure it out yourselves. I'm going to give you what works on my channel, and this is exactly what works. So we're going to go here to the content, and I'm going to let you guys see it. This looks absolutely amazing. And even if you're a man or a woman, this content will make that channel go viral, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to pick the reel that you want to put on your channel, and then you guys, you are going to go here. You're going to go to ChatGPT, and like I said before, I want you to start one of 2 channels, either a budgeting channel or a motivational channel. Do not start both channels at the same time. Let's grow one channel, watch it make you hundreds of thousands of dollars, and then you guys will move on to the next. But I do like budgeting first, okay? So I have a budgeting channel for single moms, okay? This budgeting channel for single moms, what I do, you guys, is I ask ChatGPT for the tips, and then I put the tips and I overlay them on the reels, okay? So you could go right here, you could go, listen, and I asked ChatGPT, hey, ChatGPT, give me 100 budgeting tips for single moms, okay? And then ChatGPT gave me the budgeting tips, and all I have to do, you guys, is go ahead and use them on the faceless reels. That's how super simple and easy it is for you to start a faceless channel. And I'm telling you guys, start off with the tips, okay? Those videos get hundreds of thousands of viewers. Everybody loves tips. Everybody loves hacks. You guys, that is what's going to get your viewers. Like I said before, these aesthetic reels draw those viewers in, and like I said, they're going to create for you buyers. We just want to attract the views to the channel, and that is how you're going to get monetized, and that is how you're going to sell your ebooks, your planners, and your journals on the channel. You can put any digital product you want, but like I said before, I got you covered because you guys, I have the financial planner, the budget tracker planner, all that is in the channel. So all you have to do is literally link these to your channel and start making your money. Not only are you going to get monetized within 48 hours, but it's time for you to start making an income across them, okay? I sell my digital products for at least $50 a pop, you guys, and across all 10 of my channels, I do about $50,000 in channels every single month. When I tell you guys, this is simple, easy, and anybody can do it. So even if you're older, even if you don't have any experience, it doesn't matter, because you can start this today. You can get monetized on those channels, and you can start making income on those channels, okay? Like, share, and subscribe. I hope you guys really like the video, and I hope you guys really take the leap of faith and start this, because this is going to change your life in 2026. And when you are on that beach and sipping your mojitos, I want you to say, I'm glad I started that channel, and I'm glad Coach Sam showed me how to do it. Like, share, and subscribe, you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!